No matter how careful we are with our fabric furniture, daily use takes its toll. A build-up of dirt and grime, stains and odours is inevitable. We know that accidents happen, despite our best efforts, and food and drink stains are all too common. But with Guardsman Remove and Restore, you don't have to worry. Our water-based solution effectively removes even the toughest of stains, keeping your furniture looking its best. Simply spray onto the affected area and dab using the cloth provided. Repeat the process until the stain is completely gone. This product can be used with Guardsman Deodorize and Refresh to eliminate any odours and to add a springtime fragrance to your fabric.